Welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by Ricky for rickylee.com. This video will cover making an internet connection to a broadband service that requires the input of a username and a password. The service that I am using is ADSL. The current location that I'm connecting from during this recording is from Tianjin, China. So what I am going to do is, since I am running a Windows XP machine, and if you're using Windows Vista, it's very similar to this. On my computer, I would go to connect to, show all connections. This is one way of getting to this location, and then I would click on create a new connection, and then follow the wizard, hit next, and click and choose connect to the network. And click and choose connect to the internet. Click next, and here you would want to click on and choose set up my connection manually. Unless you have a CD that came with the modem, then you would follow those instructions. Again, you'll want to make sure that you select set up my connection manually, and if your internet service came with a CD, please follow the instructions on there if it comes with a username and password. Some broadband DSL service does not require a username and password to be inputted every time. In my case, this is ADSL and it requires a username and password. And once you click next, you want to choose connect using a broadband connection that requires a username and password. Some broadband service connect using a broadband connection is always on. Some broadband service is like that. In this tutorial, this is about a broadband service that requires a username and password. So you hit next, give it a name, and I'm going to name it Tianjin. As you'll notice, there is no network on my network named Tianjin. So we'll name it Tianjin, and then you hit next. You'll input the username. In my case, the username are numbers. Yours may have characters and symbols. And then you'll input the password, and then I clicked on use this account name and password when anyone connects to the internet from this computer. Make this the default internet connection, and then you want to repeat your password, confirm it, and then hit next. And you'll want to create a shortcut on your desktop. Once that's done, this should pop up on your screen, and I have checked save this username and password for the following users, which is I have selected as anyone who uses this computer. Let's test it. Hit connect. It's registering. Here's the proof right here. Tianjin is now connected, and here is the connected window showing properties. We'll go ahead and close that, and I am going to go over here and open up a web browser so that we can see. Okay, we are able to connect to the internet. Let me try Google to test it. Okay, we see that Google works, and that's it for this tutorial on how to make an internet connection to a broadband service that requires a username and password. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit me at rickylee.com, and at the bottom right corner, if you click on my name, If you need a personal, more direct answer, please go ahead and send me an email, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Have a wonderful day.